Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new, and today we're talking about the perfect accessory to elevate your outfit, which is glasses. I want to thank Fytoo for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over 4 pair of prescription glasses. Now, glasses in general, whether they're prescription or non-prescription, glasses in general are the perfect easy way to elevate an outfit. They can add a pop of color, you can play around with the different shapes of them to add, just something extra to the outfit, whether you're being casual, whether you're dressing it up, whether you're something businessy for work. Like, having a good pair of glasses is a key to just an easy way to elevate your outfit. And Fytoo, they have prescription and non-prescription glasses, or just regular glasses. And they have such a huge selection. You're able to get prescription in any pair of glasses from their website, which is amazing. And I'm gonna show you the 4 that I picked out, and then I'm also gonna be showing you how you can style them. So let's get into it. So when you order from Fytoo, it's gonna come with your glasses. Each of the glasses come with their own protective case, which is amazing. So you don't have to worry about how you're gonna store them if you buy multiple pairs. And trust me, you're gonna wanna buy multiple pairs. So they each come with their own case. You also are gonna get like a pamphlet that just kind of tells the story of Fytoo. And yeah, they have so many different types of lenses, so it tells you like all the different types of lenses. Obviously you'll see that on the website as well. I'm going to show you the website, and then you'll get your order slip so you can see what you ordered. I love that it comes with cleaning cloths, so that way you're able to clean your glasses, as well as a little tool to like tighten up the size if you need to. It comes with a coupon, and then this is one of those things that you can use to measure like your pupil, so you can know like what size glasses you need if you ever forget. So this is really handy to have. So now I'm going to show you the frames that I got. The reason that I really wanted to get some new frames is because these are like my frames that y'all always see me wear. These are just some basic, boring, plain frames, but I really wanted something to elevate my outfit. I really wanted to play around with color, and then I also wanted a new everyday pair of glasses. So I got 3 colored pair and then 1 clear transparent pair, which is going to be my new like everyday frame. So let's just jump right into it. Here is the first pair of glasses that I got. I'm just going to show you like a close-up of what it looks like, and then I'll put it on. So these are the Constance red square glasses. As you can see, they are this cute red square frame, this thick around. So let me put them on. And these are prescription. All of the glasses I got with prescription. So it looks so good. But this is what it looks like on. Here's a close-up. They look really good. They fit my face really well. Obviously I can see I put my prescription in them, so it's definitely really good. Like, I have them on with lashes. They don't like bother my false lashes. Like, these are just super cute. They're bold, beautiful, perfect for when you want to add a statement. They're eye-catching. Like, these are super cute, and they're still versatile. Like, I feel like the red is still a versatile color. Anytime you want to add a pop of color, or you just want to be bold and make a statement, these are the perfect glasses. So here is the red Constance pair. Y'all, these red glasses are so freaking cute. These are the perfect glasses just to add a pop to your outfit. I love these glasses. The red, y'all can tell these are bright red. They are square frame. I love the thickness of the frame. Super duper sturdy. I just have them paired with this simple black top and jeans. Like, the outfit itself is just super simple, but then you throw on the red glasses and it just instantly makes your outfit pop. Oh my god, it's just so cute. Like, get into the glasses, y'all. So if you are like a neutrals girl, if you like basic looks, if you like all black, get these glasses, okay? Because these are going to, like I said, make your outfit pop. The perfect glasses to throw on anytime you try to make a statement, want to make your glasses pop, or if you just love the color red, okay? These are the glasses for you. The next pair of glasses I got is this green pair. Let me just show you up close. So this is like a deep olive green color. I really wanted something that was kind of like a dark color, but because the red was super bright, and then I kind of wanted to get something that was a little bit darker in color. So this is perfect for the fall for me. Like, this is what they look like. These are the Norton green glasses. I will link these down below so you can see like a really thick side, and then they have the thick frames as well. I love these. These are like one of my favorite out of the four. This is my second favorite out of the four. Like, love, 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 love these glasses. I love like the thick frame of them. Hopefully it's not too bad of a glare. Let me try to, here you go. This is a little better, so it's not like so much of a glare because I'm in front of a window, but this is like what they look like. Oh, they look so, so, so good. So cute. Here is the dark green pair of glasses. I paired this look with these green pants. These are a lighter green, but I like the fact that these are lighter green and this is a darker green, kind of just to play on the greens with this white top and this trench, or this half crop trench. I feel like this outfit is super cute, a cute and casual chic way to style these glasses. These glasses are really, really cute. I really like the thick frame of these, and then these are a really, really dark olive green, so you can't even really tell they're green. Like, you can see it in the sunlight, but I like the fact that, if you know, like, they kind of give off the black-ish vibe as well, so just like dark. So if you're scared to play with colored glasses, getting a pair like this that's like a really deep dark color is really good. Like, these are super duper cute, perfect for the fall. Like, I love, love, love these glasses. This is the next pair of glasses that I got, and these are the Jolie Blue, and this is another square pair. I love square, obviously, and again, another thick frame, and then it's just this deep navy blue color. You can kind of really see the blue like in the inside a little bit more, but it's this deep navy blue color. So this is what these ones look like on. Let me come so you can see. This is what these ones look like. Super duper cute. Love these as well. I love like the dark blue of them. I love the fact like these ones and the green ones I showed you as well. I love that it's like a dark color, so it kind of gives off black, but then you still get the blue in the light. Like, super duper cute. So now I have on the blue frames. Hopefully you guys can see them. These are like a deep blue frame, and so I wanted to do like a kind of denim on denim look. Let me push the camera back a little bit. Kind of like a denim on denim look. So I just have on this white tee with these denim jeans and then this denim trench. I felt like having all of the dark blues plus the dark blue glasses just really just came together nicely, and I love like the thickness of the frame. Oh, these are so freaking cute. And again, these are like a dark blue, so you can wear them with multiple things. You don't only have to wear them with blue because they're like a really deep navy blue, but they're super duper cute paired with this all denim look. Like, I feel like it just ties the looks together, so y'all definitely need to get y'all these. These are the last pair that I'm going to show you. These are the Helga transparent lenses, and it has like kind of like a tortoise-ish design on the side, so I love that. So they're not just plain transparent. And then this is what they look like on. I can bring the camera up a little bit. These are gonna be like my new like everyday pair of glasses. Like, super duper cute. I love the transparent lens. It's kind of like muted, but it's still like something, because I feel like the no color still makes a statement. Like, the fact that there is no color makes a statement. Like, just super cute. So here's one way that you can style the Helga glasses. Obviously, these are clear, transparent glasses, so you can wear them with anything, but I just thought pairing them with like a super neutral outfit would be really, really cute. So I just paired them with like this basic white tee, jeans, and then this neutral colored cardigan. I feel like this outfit kind of just matches the vibe of the glasses with clear, transparent frames. I just feel like it gives studious, it gives like just smart, intelligent, and I feel like the outfit kind of gives that same type of vibe. So I think it's super duper cute, just a cute way to style these glasses.
So here's what the website looks like. As you can see, they offer glasses for men, women, kids. So they offer glasses for everyone, and you can search the glasses a bunch of different ways. So let's go over to women. You can search by regular eyeglasses, sunglasses, reading glasses. So however you are looking for glasses, they make it really easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for. You can search by the different feature if you like. You can also search by the shape, the material, the color, your face shape. Like, they make it really easy for you to find the type of glasses that you're looking for. So here you can see they have a tremendous amount of glasses. They have such a huge selection. Another thing that I really like about Fytoo is the fact that all of their glasses, or a lot of their glasses, come in multiple different colors. So if you find a shape that you really like, you can get that same shape in multiple different colors. So that's really nice. Another thing I really like is they allow you to try on. You can upload a picture of yourself and you can kind of get an idea of what the glasses will look like on you. They also have like just stock images of, to kind of get a feel for what the glasses will, how the glasses can look on you. But like I said, you can upload your own photo so you can really get to see kind of like a glance of how the glasses are going to look on you. Each of the glasses also, when you're looking at the product description, you're able to see the material, you're able to see like the different type of lenses that you're able to get in them, and then it gives you detailed information about the glasses, so you're able to see like the lens width, the bridge, really get an idea of what the glasses are going to look like. So since you're ordering online, you're able to make sure that you know for sure that they're going to be what you're looking for. Also, you can get a bunch of different prescription types for each of the glasses. And then again, it shows you the different color options. I showed you guys this in the beginning, the different things that you get with your purchases, how they come with the cloth, they come with the glasses pouch, they come with the cleaning cloth, like you get another cleaning cloth plus a screwdriver tool, like so many different things. And then they have reviews from real people, so you can really see reviews of what other people are thinking about the glasses, and they have uploaded pictures so you can kind of see how they look on other people. But like I said, it probably be best just to upload your own picture so you can see what it looks like yourself. And then they have multiple pictures of each of the frames. They have videos of the frames. You really get to, really see the glasses so you can really know what you're ordering. And ordering is super duper easy.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave a link down below to Fytoo, and as well as each of the 4 glasses that I have if you want to shop my specific glasses. Some of these glasses do come in other colors. A lot of their glasses come in multiple colors actually. So if you want, you like a style, you can choose which color you want in the style, which is really, really nice. So definitely, these are my favorites. And then the clear are also my favorite. Like, I love these, and the transparent ones, definitely my favorites. But again, these are the 4 that I got. If you're looking for a way to easily elevate your outfit, but you don't want to wear sunglasses, definitely get these. And like I said, you can get prescription in any pair of glasses from them. So if you wear prescription glasses, you can just send them a copy of your prescription and they will put the prescription in. They offer blue light glasses, they offer prescription glasses, they have sunglasses. Like, they have so many different variety of glasses, and the pricing is really, really good, because y'all know the price of glasses is super expensive. Like, glasses can be really expensive, but their prices are really, really good. So if you're looking for some good, affordable, good quality glasses, definitely check out Fytoo. Comment down below and let me know which pair of glasses are your favorite, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.